today's video we have the Samsung Galaxy E Fit that I received very recently from Samsung. It is one of the new launches by Samsung in the budget segment of the Fit Band. So in this video we will do the unboxing and also see how it fares as a Fit Band. So let's watch the video and please do like and subscribe. Thank you. So this is how you receive the box, the Samsung Galaxy Fit E. So it's a budget fit band and it is released in competition with the Xiaomi Mi Band that is hugely popular in this price segment. So coming out of the box, we have a very nice compact box. Let's see what is written on the box. It's a long battery life, auto fitness and sleep tracking, and water resistant up to 50 meters. Okay, coming on to this, basic stuff, works on Android, RAM and all. Other than that, nothing else. Let's see the price that is written on the box. We can see it is sells for about 2,590, whereas online it's available for about 2,490. So let's get on to the unboxing of the box. Okay, so here's the band. It's quite light when you hold it. I've used the Xiaomi Mi Band, but compared to that it feels very light actually. So yeah, let's keep this aside. What else do we get in the box? We have the charging cradle. This looks different. So we have the charging cradle here. Next, here we have the documents that are usually present in the box. So I'll be using this Fitband for about 5 more days, and I'll be giving you the review as well in this video. So let's move on to that. The band's minimalistic look is a plus. Even with a heart rate monitor and multiple other sensors, it weighs just about 15 grams. Most occasion, it is easy to forget to have the band strapped on your wrist. The band is waterproof up to 50 meters, so you can take it for a shower or go swimming with it. It has a 0.74-inch monochrome 64x218 resolution PMOLED screen, which you can wake up by either lifting your wrist or with a double tap, or both. You get your notification on the panel, through which you will need the phone to answer them. The panel is rather small but good enough to follow the time and stats. However, it is a little hard to see the display in broad daylight for the lack of brightness. The Samsung Galaxy Fit E fulfills all the bare necessities of a fitness band. You can track steps, sleep, heart rate, calories burned, and also get phone notifications. The band is compatible with both Android and iOS and works with most of the smartphones. The band has 70 mAh battery which keeps it going for at least 4 days. This is when you use the band with heart rate sensor set to monitor your heartbeat continuously. The band does away with the wireless charging feature which is there in the elder sibling, the Samsung Galaxy Fit. However, like other bands in this segment, you get charging cable without an adapter. It charges the band in about 90 minutes. The Galaxy Fit E lacks GPS and tracks distance using your phone, which you need to carry while you run. There is a string of widgets including steps, calories, heart rate, weather and calendar. You can customize the ones you want on your band in that order. I really like the Find My Band feature which lights up the band screen and makes it vibrate so you can easily locate your band. It's 2,490. The Samsung Galaxy Fit Band E is a perfect no-frill fit band, and for those people who are beginners and want to use a band that can give you a basic overview of all their daily routines and exercises, then go for this.